Welcome to a quick product update from Sherwood Shelving about our soft close slides. As you know, the slides come in a package of one set, and so I'm just going to take out one. Just a few things that you need to know about these soft close glides. On the back of the drawers on here is a little yellow tab. You push that down, and then you can pull the drawer side of the slide off. Okay, and so to put that back in, what I usually like to do is make sure that this ball bearing is right up to the front, and then it's same thing when you go to install a drawer. I pull that all the way to the front, and then just make sure that you line this up and push it in. Okay, and that's how they work. Now the back will catch on this yellow portion back here, and that's what will catch in there and then cause the slide to soft close. Okay, now when it's installed, sometimes when you pull out a drawer, this little mechanism at the back of the slide will be popped in. Okay, that's a problem, because when you go to put your drawer in, it won't go all the way. It will actually be out, about an inch and a half. And so don't force it, because you can break this yellow tab off. So during your installation, if your drawers aren't closing properly, just make sure this tab is pulled out and locked into place. Okay, and then it will close properly. Now I'm just going to demonstrate how to do that in a drawer when if that happens. So it's pretty easy. Even though this is the top drawer and the shelf is right there, let me just go in and I'm just going to flick that one down. Okay, so what I've done is inside there I've just flicked that and let it close like this. Whoops, destroy. So when it goes in, it stops. Okay, so the drawer hasn't closed all the way. So don't force that if that happens to you. What you can do is just put your arm in, and then as you push the drawer in, just go and you can feel that clip, and just pull it out and lock it up into position, and then it will close properly. Okay, so hopefully that helps a little bit during your installs with our soft close glides. Thanks for watching.